Lovely bite. Wagwan everyone, I'm going to start a series with spare ribs on all the different grills that I own. So right here we have a full pack of spare ribs. We're gonna cook this up on the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn reverse flow offset. This is the first in this series. Make sure you guys stay tuned and watch how we prep this thing. I want you guys to drop some comments below. I want to hear if you guys are looking forward to any specific grill in the series, and is there a rub that you really want me to try to get some good results? Drop those comments. I want to know what you guys are thinking. Now listen, if you guys are not subscribed to the page, right now is a good time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. So here are our ribs, and I'm going to show you guys how we go through and prep this up. Shout out to Alex from Pork Belly Woodworks. He's the one that hooked me up with this awesome butcher block here. I tag him down in the description. This keel bone right here, we're going to go ahead and get that off. And there's a cartilage right here. That's where you want to go. Don't try to cut the bone itself. Try to look where the bone is running and you just run alongside that. You'll see the angle. Remember I told you guys that the smoker is going to level out and the temperature left to right is going to be within 10 degrees. And that's the point where we're at right now. Just about an hour into the cook and the temps are starting to level out. So now it's just smooth sailing from here. Just keep that smoke clean. And then up top here, we're gonna cut off this little flimsy part. We're gonna cook these as whole racks, right? Texas style. That's what we're doing. So end bone right here, cut that off. Gonna cut off the flap here. Preferably, I like to remove the membrane, but you don't have to. I don't like the chewy texture of the membrane when I'm done cooking. One down. But if you don't mind it, you can go ahead. And I usually prep while my smoker is coming up to temp. You don't have to season ribs overnight. I never usually do. I want you guys to let me know in the comments, what is your favorite pork rib to cook? Spares or baby backs? And guys, there's only 2 pork ribs. All right. So now that my temp is right here at 250, I'm gonna hit it with another split. This is what we're doing every 30 to 45 minutes. Ooh, that thing is hot, baby. Remember guys, this is how we are maintaining that clean smoke, and we also are not getting huge drops in our temperature. So your fire management will be smooth sailing. You guys can go check out my book, Wrangling Fire, up on my website. You can find it on Amazon as well. Just search Wrangling Fire or go to cookingwithkunchi.com. It is linked down in the description. So we're gonna go ahead and season these up, and I'm using spicy sweet barbecue rub. Love Hey Grow Hey products. Now I'm gonna pin this rub down. Now on the back of the spare ribs, I don't go too heavy, really just a light dusting. So we're hitting the top real heavy. You'll never see me layering rubs. You know, when it comes to barbecue, I believe that one rub should be able to do the job, right? I mean, it's cute, it looks cool, but that's not my style, okay? The rubs that I have designed and put out, those rubs can stand on their own. I'm really excited about this rub. You guys can see that pepper. All right, let's go check on the smoker. So now that we have the ribs on the smoker, we're gonna just let that go. I'm not opening the smoker until the next 2 hours. I want to maintain between 250 and 275, so we're gonna add some fuel. My wood, they are sitting on the firebox, getting hot, primed, and this is hot, y'all. So we're gonna just set up our fire a little. Gonna lay this split right here. This right here is oak. We're just gonna add this one split, and that's gonna maintain our fire. So it's gonna bring it back up to 75, but it shouldn't go much higher than that. Now, if you guys notice, starting to get some dirty smoke, sometimes you really just need to reposition it a little bit. I think I have the most trouble with mesquite and cherry wood. Incidentally, those are the woods that give me the best color. So not gonna sacrifice them. And I did add a small split in there just to kind of help that fire speed up. And as you guys can see, just like that, smoke has cleaned up. So the ribs are looking amazing right now. Beautiful color. We're starting to get some pullback. So right now, we're just gonna let it run. 3 hours in, we're gonna look at it again, and then we'll show you guys what they look like. But no spritz, and remember, we did no binders. We're not opening the smoker, let them cook. So right now we are 4 hours in, and we are now starting to check for tenderness. So we're really going to use the bend test. A slight bend, not yet tender like we want. About the same level of bend. This one is kind of cracking a little bit. This one has the best flex out of all of them. We're almost there. So we're gonna give it another 30 minutes. And this should be the last split we add, and this should burn out the rest of the cook. Now we shut her down. So right now we are at the 4 hours and 45 minutes mark. Now we're gonna pull them off, wrap them up in foil for about 15-20 minutes, put them to rest, and then you guys are gonna see a slice into these things. And check them out. So these are starting to get a good little bend. When the rib tips are attached, they're not gonna bend like all over your hand, because remember, the rib tips is all cartilage. You can see down on this side it's bending really good, but right here it's still a little stiff because we have the rib tips on. So these are ready. This one is a little bit, stiffer, but the rib tip is bigger. You ready, guys? Let's wrap them up. Now we gotta taste them. I get one of these glazed ones right here, right out of the middle. We'll see what kind of bite we get. Lovely bite. All right. Okay. Pull out the bone real easy. That bone looking clean. That is a perfect rib. Make sure y'all follow for more. Check out everything in the description. So you guys can see from beginning to end, we are running clean smoke, right? The smoker did really good. This is where we're done cooking. That's really all we have left. So cooking on the offset, you can control a lot. You have way less waste. Let me know what grill you guys are looking forward to next. We're gonna make these quick and simple videos. So make sure you stay in tune for this series.